Just finished installing this L-shaped desk. Of course, we're outside. It's not going to live in this location. I love that actually pouch here, that actual pouch that is just useful if you want to put files, some paper, anything like that. This is MDF. It's obviously a really nice finish on top of that. And metal structure throughout. And what I really want to focus on is the fact that they actually added this X structure on both sides. So this whole thing is not going to wobble. It's very, very sturdy, even if you carry it and move it around your house. And the last thing I want to note is this little thing. I didn't know at first what to make of it. I thought it was like a stand for your a footrest or something like that, but it's actually to put files, to put more stuff. You could put a printer on there as well if you wanted to, or your computer. Obviously, a computer, a desktop computer would fit. Super nice desk, really, really easy to install as well. And like I said, extremely light, but sturdy.